It's been a while since I shared something about AnimateDiff. Let's take a look at what new developments have emerged in this area recently. Sparse the controller, using a 2-open pose, a dancer pose, and a graffiti model from Sparse Control. Just watch it. It's something like that. Open pose, dancer pose, graffiti, and Sparse Control. The background was referenced, and in the original video, masks were used to separate the characters from the background. Where can it be used? It's used in the IPAdapter section. Of course, with the update of the IPAdapter, I also restructured the process for the IPAdapter. There aren't many good suggestions here. My advice is to use less LoRA. Some LoRA models have terrible effects. They can ruin your entire image, making it worse, more unstable, and blurrier. No matter what bad effects you can think of, they're most likely related to this LoRA. I redesigned this area and also integrated several new features that I gradually updated over time. What's the point? It will make our visuals more coherent. After watching the video, I zoomed in on this area again and had new insights. After waiting, I shared it again with more maturity. Through my continuously updated videos, you should also be able to see where I expect the direction of the 5th place in Animate to be. That's it for the simple sharing of these modules. Navigate to RunningHub's AI or click the link in the introduction to register and get 120 gigabytes. Log in daily to receive an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online.